Welcome back to the class. So we are going to factorize. So we have 2 exponent x, 1 plus 1, okay, all over, this is 2 instead, all over 2 equals 30. So you're going to have 2 exponent x times 2, okay, all over 2 equals 30. Okay, all right, so this is the same as 2 exponent x times 2 over 2 equals 30. So this cancels this. So we are going to have 2 exponent x equals 30. So this will give us 2 exponent x equals, okay, 2 times 15. Okay, so in place of 30, we can write 2 times 15. Now equation becomes 2 exponent x equals 2 times 1, 5. Okay, so divide here by 2, divide here by 2. So this cancels this. So we are left with 2 exponent x over 2 equals 15. Okay, now you can see the base here is the same as the base here. So we can apply the quotient rule. Okay, so before we apply the quotient rule, we know that 2 exponent x over 2 is the same as 2 exponent s over 2 exponent 1. Okay, since any number there has a power of 1. All right, now let's apply the quotient rule. Now we know that a exponent m over a exponent c equals a exponent m minus c. All right, so we're going to have 2 exponent x minus 1 equals 1, 5. Now let's express 15 in primes. Okay, so we are going to have 2 exponent x minus 1 equals 3 times 5. Okay, now the bases at the left part of the equation and the right part are not the same. So let's introduce logarithm. So we're going to have log 2 exponent x minus 1 equals log 3 times 5. All right, so this is what we have. Now let's quote the formula for the product rule of logarithm. So we have log a times b. Okay, so log a times b equals log a plus log b. All right, so our equation becomes log 2x minus 1 equals log 3 plus log 5. All right, now let's use the logarithm definition to express this part. So we know that if you have log a exponent n base b, this is equivalent to n log a base b. So our equation becomes x minus 1 log 2 equals log 3 plus log 5. All right, so we are going to have x minus 1 multiplying log 2 equals log 3 plus log 5. All right, so let's divide here by log 2, here by log 2, okay, here by log 2, here by log 2. All right, so we know that anything over itself is 1. So log 2 over log 2 is 1. So this cancels this. So we are left with x minus 1 equals log 3 over log 2 plus log 5 over log 2. All right, now let's use the change of base formula to, okay, let's apply the change of base formula here. Okay, now we know that if you have log a over log b, this can be written as log a base b. So our equation becomes x minus 1 equals log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. All right, so this is what we have now. So our equation becomes x equals log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus 1. Okay, and this is our final answer. Kindly like and subscribe